a small recipe, and a very big dream. This is the true story of Colonel Sanders and KFC. Harland Sanders was born in 1890 in a poor family in the USA. At just 6 years old, his father passed away, and the responsibility of running the household fell on young Sanders. At such a tender age, he began learning how to cook. Throughout his life, he worked small jobs as a fireman, insurance agent, and gas station worker. But in his heart, there was one passion: to share his chicken recipe with the world. In the 1930s, he opened a small roadside restaurant. Customers who came there described his chicken as unforgettable. That was the time he created his secret mix of 11 herbs and spices, a recipe that remains KFC's biggest secret to this day. But one day, a new highway route was built, and his restaurant shut down. Life once again brought him back to zero. Imagine this. Colonel Sanders was 65 years old at that time. Most people retire, but he decided to start again, carrying his chicken recipe from place to place. He tried to convince over 1,000 restaurants, and he was rejected again and again, until finally, one owner accepted his idea. And from there began the journey of Kentucky Fried Chicken. Today, KFC is in more than 150 countries, and millions of people enjoy its taste every single day. One man who never gave up proved to the world that there's no age limit to chasing your dreams.